Understanding hundreds, tens, and ones, place value. Today we will learn about hundreds, tens, and ones. This is A1. Let's count the ones. This is a 10. 10 ones make a 10. When we have 10 tens, it becomes 100. Now let us practice ones, tens and hundreds. $124. 124 has 100, 2 tens, and 4 ones. $136. 136 has 100, 3 tens, and 6 ones. $236. 236 has 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 6 ones. Amazing, well done. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.